Good day, my viewers. I welcome you to my mathematics class. Before the commencement of today's lecture, I want you all to go into your study room, pick your pens, your writing materials, pick your your water, your table water, in case you might need water at the time of instruction. So now what we are going to do today, if you look at the board here, so this is still geometry, and is a kind of aspect of mathematics that majority of learners do have problem in it. So now let's say we have this kind of problem. They said find the value of x from this, where 20 degree is given here, 20 degree is given here. So how are we going to get the value of x? That is the size of x. So what we are going to do is very simple and it's straightforward. Now this is what we are going to do. At this being, we know what this value be here. This value here. Let's say we know what this value be here. Are you getting now? So we will just use the what? We are going to use what? We are going to use the theorem that says angle at center is twice the angle at the remaining part of the circumference. Okay, let me say I label this to be A, B, C. Therefore, the angle found at the remaining part of the circumference is this angle B. Therefore, I'm going to have 2A, B, C, referring to this angle B at the center. Are you getting now? But our problem now is that how can we get what this value be? Are you getting now? What this value is, that is the B. So that we are going to have x is the angle at the center will now be 2 times whatever you have here. So this is what we are going to do. Don't forget that this is the center of this circle. So if this is the center of this circle, any line drawn from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference is called what is called radius. So now having that from here to here is radius, definitely from here to this place, if we can extend this one like this, therefore this one also will be what? Will be radius. Are you getting now? Now for this and this to be radius, are you getting what I'm saying? Now we can have this triangle here. Are you getting now? Having 20 here. This is the center of the circle. Are you getting now? And this is what? This is the line I introduced from here, which is also what? Which is also equal, which is radius. For this place to be 20, automatically this one also will be 20, because from the type of triangle we have, this is what? This is called isosceles triangle, where two sides are equal. I get it now. The two bases also will be what? Will be equal. I get it now. That is, the base angles also will be what? Will be equal. So that's from here, this place will still be what? Still be 20. And if you look at this one too, we are still going to see that this is also what? This is also equal to this. Therefore, the triangle, this triangle is equal to this triangle. That is, from here to here to be radius. Are you getting it now? From here to here to be radius, and from here to here to be radius. Therefore, this place is 20,000. I mean 20 degree. We have what? We have this. Okay? This is x. This is the what? This is the line we introduced. Then this is R. This is R. Okay? We have what? We have 20 here. Automatically, this place will also be 20. Therefore, we are going to be having 20 here. Now, in general, if you want to take this one as what? At a whole, therefore, angle B is going to be what? This angle is going to be 40 degree. Therefore, we now come back to this. Angle at center, which is equal to x, is now equals to 2 by ABC is what? Is 40 degree. Therefore, we have x to be equals to 80 degree. Therefore, the value of what? The value of x equals to what? Equals to 80 degrees. So that's the end of today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching.